Hello children, in this video we are going to learn class 9 polynomial chapter exercise 2.4 fifth main. First and the second sum we are going to learn. First one is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Here just you observe this first equation, they have given here degree of this polynomial is 3. And one more thing, see, number of solutions or number of factors is depending on the degree of the polynomial. Remember that. Always linear polynomial means a polynomial of a degree 1 is having only one solution and a factor of linear polynomial will be 1. And factor of quadratic polynomial means degree 2 means it is having a 2 factors or 2 solutions. And if it is a degree 3 means it is having a 3 factors and 3 solutions. Remember that your degree of this polynomial is 3 means it is having a 3 factors. So first try to find out the factor. If you want to find the factors, here 4 terms are there. You try to take the common factors. If you can take common factors, then you can take common factors and factorize it. If you can't take the common factors, one more method is there. I am going to solve that one. Here in the first sum we can take common factors and we will solve by that method only. Second sum we can't take the common factors, that time we will see that one more method. First in the first sum we can take the common factors. First 2 terms you see, x cube is there, 2x square is there. You can take x square common from both the terms. Here x cube we can write as x into x into x. So in that x square I taken out, 1x remains inside the bracket, minus x square I took out, minus 2 remains out. Next here from these 2 you can't take anything common, so you can take minus 1. So it is x minus 2. Now x minus 2 I can take out, then it will become x square minus 1. This here x square remains, here minus 1, x square minus 1. Now this x square minus 1 we can use a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. Here just you observe, in place of a square x square is there, in place of b square 1 you can write as a 1 square also. 1 square is 1 only. So now I can write x square minus 1 square as a x plus 1, x minus 1. Now here x minus 2 I will write as it is, and x square minus 1 I will write as a x plus 1 and a x minus 1. These are the 3 factors of the polynomial. Like this we will get. In the last main, means exercise 2.4 fourth main, you learned their degree was 2. Just if you want, you see that in the classwork, degree was 2. There you got only 2 solutions, means like this 2 factors only we got. Here degree is 3, we got 3 factors. Now we'll solve the second sum. Second sum, just you observe here, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. From these 2 I can take x square common. If I take x square common, here x minus 3 will remain. Then here if you take minus 1 common, 9x minus 5. See here we got x minus 2, x minus 2, like this we are not getting here. So we have to go for the another method, that is, first you have to, I told you already, we will get 3 factors of the equation. First you have to find 1 factor of the equation by finding the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial means already you know. If you substitute any value of the x in this equation, you have to get the answer as 0. Then only we can call that number as 0 of this polynomial. So that 0 of the polynomial you have to find by checking. Means by inspection method. That method is called as a inspection method, or by checking means here first I will substitute 0 and I will find out whether in place of x, if I substitute 0, we will get the answer 0 or not. And if we didn't get 0, then you should go for the next number, that is 1. I will substitute in place of 1, in place of x 1 I will substitute, and I will check we will get the answer 0 or not. If you didn't get the 0, and you should go for the next number, that is minus 1. Like that you should check minus 1 after 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, like that you have to check and go. And we will get the numbers between less than 5 only there. Here last number what is there? Factors of those numbers only we will get there. So first I will check for 0. If I substitute 0 in place of x, here minus 5 we will get answer. By seeing only we can identify. So 0 is not a 0 of the polynomial. Then we will go for the 1. 1 if I substitute in this equation, just I will solve in this. If I get means I will write there. We don't know we are getting or not. So just I am checking it. So in place of x I am going to substitute xc. In place of x I am substituting x cube minus 3 into x1 square minus 9 into 1 minus 5. 1 cube is 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 9 minus 5 is minus 13. Then minus 15. We did not get the 0 there. So x is equal to 1 is also not a 0 of the polynomial. Next I will take x is equal to minus 1. Now in place of x I am substituting minus 1. I will substitute x equal to minus 1 now. So in place of x I have to substitute minus 1 cube. Here minus 1 cube. Minus 3 into minus 1 square, 9 into minus 1 minus 5. Minus 1 cube will be minus 1 only will come. I already told you if it is power is odd, negative number will come. Minus 3, minus 1 square will become plus 1 into 1, minus into minus will become plus 9, next to minus 5. Here minus 1 minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 9 minus 5. Now minus 1 minus 3 minus 5, all the negative numbers you add it. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4, minus 4 minus 5 is plus 9 minus 9 will become 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 is a 0 of this polynomial. So I will write x is equal to minus 1. This one is by inspection method. We tried it. Which one will get the 0 of the polynomial? So x is equal to what I have to take? X equal to minus 1 is the x equal to minus 1. Just I will write that. Sorry. 1 cube means p of minus 1 is equal to 1 cube minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5. Minus 1 minus 3, because minus 1 square will become plus 1 only. Minus into minus will become plus 9. All the negative numbers you have to add. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 5 is minus 9 plus 9 will become 0. Therefore I will write that sentence. X is equal to minus 1 is 0 of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. See, if it is a 0 of the polynomial, then you have to write the factor for this. Means if you transfer this side, this will become plus 1. See, always you have to equate the factor to 0, means you will get the 0 of the polynomial. Now this x minus 1 if I transfer left side means it will become x plus 1 is a 1 factor of, actually totally 3 factors we are going to get here. So in that x plus 1 is 1 factor of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Like this we should do it. Now we got only 1 factor here. See, if it is a factor, we know that I already told you in the division method. if you divide x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 by x plus 1 means you are going to get the remainder 0. Then here one factor we got it, remaining two factors we have to find by the long division method. That one I will solve it now. Means x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, we got it. Now I will divide x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 by x plus 1. Means this is a g of x, this is p of x. Just I will write that this is p of x. P of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5, and g of x is x plus 1. And before going to write that long division method, you should be knowing we know that while doing the division, here dividend will be dividend, and here divisor will be, and here quotient, and here remainder. If you want to verify the division, we will write this dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here also this is p of x, divisor is a p of x, so p of x is equal to g of x is a divisor here, g of x into q of x plus r of x. This you have to remember. Just this p of x is a dividend, g of x is a divisor, q of x is a quotient, r of x is a remainder. So p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. This you should remember. This you have to use in this sum. So I am told you already this one. Now just you see here p of x, this is a p of x, g of x is there, q of x and r of x we will find, and we are going to find the two more factors of this equation. Now dividend is this equation I will write, and I will divide it by long division method. And while doing the long division method, you know that any degrees, first you should see all the powers are in the decreasing order, or next you should see any power is missing or not. Here all the degrees are in the decreasing order and no powers are missing. Just I will write as it is. And divisor also same thing, x plus 1 is there. No need to change anything there. Just you should write the dividend, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Then x plus 1 is a divisor. Now first term. I already explained you in the last video how to do the long division method. Here 1x cancelled, so it is x square. Now x square is the first term of the quotient. Now x into x square is x cube. Now plus is there, plus 1 into x square is 1x square. Now you should change the sign. Here plus is there, minus plus is there. Nothing is there means plus will be, so I am saying plus. Now plus x cube minus x cube will get cancelled. Here you see minus 3x square minus 1x square. Change the sign you have to consider always. Both the numbers are having minus means we have to add the numbers and keep the minus sign. Minus 4x square. Now I will take minus 9x down. Now first term of the 4x. First term is 4x square minus 4x square. Just here x. I will divide those two. 4x square divided by x. 1x cancelled. We will get second term of the quotient is 4x minus 4x. Minus 4x is the second term of the polynomial. Now I will multiply x and the minus 4x. Here plus is there, here minus is there. Plus into minus is minus. X into 4x is 4x square. Then here plus is there, minus. Plus into minus is minus. 1 into 4x is 4x. Now I'll change the sign. Minus is there, it will become plus. Here minus is there again, this is also become plus. Now plus minus 4x square plus 4x square will be 0. Now minus 9x plus 4x, 1 is minus, 1 is plus, means you have to subtract the numbers and you have to keep the bigger number sign. Here minus 9x, 9 minus 4 is 5. 5x, bigger number is having negative sign, so I will keep negative sign or minus. Now I will take minus 5 down, minus 5. Now minus 5x divided by x. X will get cancelled. We will get third term of the question will be minus 5. Minus 5. Now here plus is there. Plus into minus is minus. X into 5 is 5x. Plus into minus is minus. 1 into 5 is 5. Now I will change the sign. Minus will become plus. Minus will become plus. Minus 5x plus 5x will become 0. Minus 5 plus 5 also will become 0. So answer we will get remainder. Sorry, not answer, it is remainder we got 0. And this is the quotient. Means this is R of x, this is Q of x. Just I will write those now. Q of x is equal to x square minus 4x minus 5. Now we know that P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x. In this form I will write these equations. Here P of x is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 is equal to G of x is x plus 1. One factor it is. Now G of x, Q of x. Q of x is, just now we got this x square minus 4x minus 5, and remainder we got 0. Just you leave that, or you write in this step, next step we can leave that. Now x plus 1 is one factor, remaining two factors I will find by splitting the middle term. We know how to factorize the quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. Now minus 4x is there. You have to, if you want to factorize the equation by splitting the middle term, means you have to multiply first and last term first. That is x square minus 5. Minus 5x square. Down I will write minus 4x. If you multiply any two numbers, you have to get minus 5x square. If you add or subtract, means you have to get minus 4x. Which are the two numbers? 5 ones I can take it. 5x and 1x. This one I will take minus, this one I will take plus only, because minus 5x plus 1x is minus 4x, and minus into plus is minus, 5 into 1 is 5, x into x is x square. We got it. So in place of minus 4x I will write minus 5x plus 1x minus 5. I splitted minus 4x as a minus 5x plus 1x. If you subtract these two, again we are going to get the minus 4x only there. So x plus 1 as it is, you write. From these two, you can take common. Just I'll put the square bracket. I can take x common. X, if I take common, x will remain minus 5. Here plus 1 I'll take common, x minus 5. Now x plus 1 is one factor. Then from these two, x minus 5 I will take common. Now here x plus 1. So these are the three factors of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. X plus 1, x minus 5 and x plus 1 are the three factors of the second polynomial. Like this we are going to solve this sum. This is important for the 4 more question. Please try to understand and practice it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.